Gawa tayo ng patatas papaya. Atsara. Gawa tayo yan. Atsara. Ginagad ko. Binalata tapos ginagad. Dito na naman. Okay. Ibigaan natin yan. Yan. Bigaan ng asin.
Because what he promised is on its way, and the blessing's closer than it's ever been today. Something big is gonna happen in your life. God is getting ready to turn it all around. Something good is gonna make it right. Chains will break and favor will abound. So lift your head, lift your eyes. He's moving right before you.
Ayan, pakuluan natin. Kuluan yung ito yung finished product. Okay.
Tumawag si Amna, te. Tumawag si Amna, nakausap mo na?
Oo.
Nakausap mo na?
Kausap na ni
Jen?
doon kay Jen tumawag.
Okay na?
Okay na.